In the previous lecture, we have discussed about Bayes theorem, and in the today's lecture, we will discuss brute force Bayes concept learning. Brute force Bayes concept learning algorithm find the maximum a posterior hypothesis H-map based on Bayes theorem. A concept learning algorithm considered a finite hypothesis space H defined over an instance space capital X. So the task is to learn the target concept C belongs to X belongs to 0 or 1. 0 represent not belongs to the class and 1 represents belong to that particular class. Here learner gets the set of training examples x1 d1 x2 d2 x3 d2 xm dm, where x is an instance from capital X and di is its target value. So it is represented by t of I equal to c of xi, where c is target concept and x belongs to 0 or 1. It belongs to class or not belongs to the class. That sequence x1 comma x2 up to xm is fixed, so the training data can be written as capital D equal to d1 d2 d2 up to dm. So now the process of brute force map learning algorithm is done in two steps. Step 1, for each hypothesis H belongs to capital H, calculate the posterior probability P of H given to D equal to probability of D given to H and probability of H divided by probability of D. And in second step, output the hypothesis H map with the highest posterior probability H map equal to arg max H belongs to capital H and probability of H given to capital D. Computation is too high because it applies Bayes theorem. Now the derivation of posterior probability is given here. Probability of H given to D. Given number of prior knowledge that one's hypothesis is more likely than another, it is reasonable to assign some probability for all H belong to capital H. If target concept C is contained in H, then the total summation of the prior probability is equal to 1 and is now represented by probability of H equal to 1 upon mod H for all H belongs to capital H, and probability of D given to capital H is equal to 1 if D of I equal to H of Xi for all value of Di belongs to capital D, otherwise it belongs to 0. It, for example, suppose the hypothesis is positive and we get the result positive, then we get 1, otherwise we get the result 0. Di equal to H of Xi is conditional for consistent hypothesis. Probability of H given to D equal to probability of D given to H multiplied by PH upon probability of D is known as Bayes theorem, and the value of this we calculate probability of H given to D equal to probability of D given to H if Di is not belongs to same class, not equal to H of Xi. So the value of D given to H is 0 multiplied by P of H and divided by probability of D. If probability of Di equal to H of Xi, then the probability of H given to D equal to 1 multiplied by 1 upon mod H divided by probability of D. So the probability of P given to D equal to summation of Hi belongs to H, P of D given to Hi multiplied by Hi equal to summation of Hi belongs to Gaussian space of H given to D with respect to D 1 multiplied by 1 upon mod H plus summation of Hi not belongs to Gaussian space H given to D equal to 0 multiplied by 1 upon Hi. So now the value becomes summation of Hi belongs to V Gaussian space H given to D 1 multiplied by 1 upon mod H. Therefore probability of H given to D equal to 1 upon mod Gaussian space H given to D if H is consistent with D, that is D of I equal to H of Xi or 0 otherwise. So this is all about brute force concept learning. Now next topic is Bayes optimal classifier. Till now we are dealing with most probable hypothesis given the training data. Now next target is to find the most probable classification of a new instance given training data. Most probable classification of a new instance is obtained by combining predictions of for all H belongs to capital H weighted with their posterior probability. If classification of a new example can take on any value Vj from set V, then the probability V of j given to D that correct classification for a new instance is Vj. Now we will discuss the with example. So now we consider the example. Hypothesis capital H is represented by H1, H2 and H3. So now we calculate the posterior probability of H1 given to D is 0.4, probability of H2 given to D is 0.3 and probability of H3 given to D is 0.3. By using hypothesis of maximum a posterior hypothesis, we will calculate H1 is maximum value. So by using the a posterior maximum posterior hypothesis, H or H map equal to argumented of max equal to probability of H given to D. So now H of M map equal to H1 is highest because the value of H1 is 0.4 in comparison of others H2 and H3. So now X is a new instance. We have classified in two classes, positive class or negative class. H1 is classified positive, H2 and H3 classified negative data. Here the probability of X is positive equal to 0.4 and the probability of X is negative is 0.3 plus 0.3 equal to 2.6. The most probable classification is different in this case from the classification generated by map hypothesis. The most probable classification of a new instance is obtained by the prediction of all possible hypotheses weighted with their posterior probabilities. By using this formula, we calculate Bayes optimal hypothesis argmax. Probability of Vj given to D equal to summation of Hi belongs to H P of Vj given to Hi and probability of Hi given to D. And Vj here Vj is represented set of target function, and the optimal classification of a new instance is the value of Vj for which probability of Vj given to D is maximum. Here we will find the maximum value of Vj given to D, and the probability of Vj given to D is the probability that correctly classify the new instance Vj. Now we will consider the example how we will calculate Bayes optimal classifier. Bayes optimal classifier equal to argmax summation of Hi belongs to H P of Vj given to Hi and probability of Hi given to D. The set of all possible classification of a new instance is divided into two categories, positive class or negative class, equal to V. V is a Virgin space. V is represented by target value. Our target is either positive or negative class. So the probability of H1 given to D is given here 0.4 and probability of H2 given to D is 0.3 and probability of H3 given to D is 0.3, and the class category is also given probability of negative class given to H1. If H1 gives the negative real, means it does not belongs to the class, so the value is 0, and if the positive it gives the positive real, so the value is 1. And the probability of negative given to H2, it does not give the, it gives the correct class, so the value is 1, and it does not classify the class positive class, so the value is 0. And probability of negative class given to H3, it will be able to classify the negative class, so the result is 1. If it is not possible to classify the positive class, so the value is 0. So now we will calculate the class positive class and negative class. Summation of Hi belongs to capital H probability of positive given to Hi multiply probability of Hi given to D equal to 0.4, and summation of Hi belongs to H probability of negative class given to Hi multiply probability of Hi given to D is 0.6. So the argmax Vj belongs to two classes, positive class or negative class. Summation of Hi belongs to H probability of Vj given to Hi and multiply by probability of Hi given to D belongs to the negative class. Now we will discuss the another example here, Bayes optimal classifier. Suppose the probability here probability is given, probability of H1 given to D is 0.4, probability of H2 given to D is 0.3, probability of H3 given to D is 0.3, H4 given to D is 0.3, probability of H5 given to D is 0.7, probability of H6 given to D is 0.5, and probability of H7 given to D is 0.3. And the hypothesis probability of H1, H2, H3 up to H7 is given bus, car, bus, truck, bus, car, and truck. So in this question we will find the most probable classifier class. So the classes is divided in three parts: bus, car, and truck. Summation of probability of a bus given to H multiplied by probability of H given to D is 0.4 plus 0.3 and 0.7. So the value is 0.14. Now we calculate the car. Summation of P of car given to H multiplied by probability of H given to D, 0.3 multiplied by 1 plus 0.5 multiplied by 1 equal to 0.8. And now we calculate truck. Summation of P of truck given to H is probability of H given to D, the value of 0.6 plus 0.3, so the value is 0.9. Here the most probable classification is truck. So this is the answer.